Hey, it's David Griffin with SCT Performance. Let's take a look at how to return your vehicle back to the stock calibration using an SCT Performance BDX tuning device. First thing we want to do is plug your device into your OBD2 port using the provided OBD2 cable. The OBD2 port will be located on the driver's side under the kick panel. With the tuner powered up, choose Program Vehicle from the main menu. Then confirm the VIN number that comes up on the device matches the VIN number of your vehicle. Then choose Confirm. Skip your device updates and also skip Cloud Sync as well. On the Street Notice page, toggle left and choose the Return to Stock option. Follow the first prompt the device gives you, which is to turn the key on. Confirm returning vehicle to stock by selecting Continue. Follow the on-device prompts. There will be several key on and key off prompts throughout this process. This process may take a few minutes, and don't be alarmed if you hear chimes from your vehicle during this process. Once the download is complete, the device will let you know and you can select Continue. Your vehicle is now returned to the stock calibration.